Hello everyone and welcome to Cooking with Danielle. Today we're going to be making some chewy sugar cookies. For these chewy sugar cookies, the ingredients will make about 3 dozen. We have 1 cup of butter softened, 1 cup of sugar, 1 egg, 2½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract, 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and for additional topping you'll need 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. And all these listed ingredients will be in the description below. This is a no-chill cookie recipe, meaning that you can manually make these cookies right away. So let's start cooking. First of all, let's preheat the oven to 350 degrees. We can also get our baking sheet ready. You can either put parchment paper on your baking sheet, or you can use a clean cooking sheet and coat it with cooking spray like Pam. I am using my KitchenAid mixer today, but if you do not have one, you can use a hand one. In a large bowl, you'll need to cream the butter and sugar together until it's fluffy. This should take about 1 minute. Alright, it's been about 1 minute. Next we're going to add in the egg. We're going to add the vanilla extract, and we're going to also add in the almond extract. We're going to beat this until it's well combined. Next, we need to add in our flour. If using your KitchenAid or hand mixer, slowly add in the flour so you don't make a mess everywhere. Add in your baking soda, your baking powder, and your salt. We're going to mix this until it's well combined, making sure that we scrape the sides as we're doing it every now and then. You'll start noticing that it's getting ready when your mixer starts making the noise like that. You need to shut it off, scrape it, and then restart it again. Looks like the dough is ready to be rolled into our little balls before we get cooked. So let's get that started. Make sure you scrape off all the extra dough so you can have all of that. Alright, so we cleared off the table. I got my greased baking pan, and we are going to start rolling the cookies into the 1-inch balls. And then after you do the 1-inch ball, you're going to roll them into the sugar. We're going to place them on the sheet about 2 inches apart so they don't bake together. Alright, I fit about 8 on the sheet. After getting them on the sheet, push them down just a little. That gives them a little design, plus it helps them cook a little bit better. Then I'm going to readjust them, making sure that they're not too close together. Alright, we're going to be putting this in the oven to 16 to 18 minutes. We'll be right back, and I'll see you with the finished product in about 17 minutes. This is what the finished product looks like after 14 minutes of baking. Looks really chewy, doesn't it? Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please press that like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.